So we've just completed another project, a 3-piece bathroom renovation on the east end of Ottawa, actually outside of Ottawa. And this project was somewhat standard, but somewhat unique. Standard in the sense that what you see is your almost typical 3-piece bathroom, where not much has been changed. You had a drop-in tub. We turned that into an alcove tub. That's rather change. We've added a small alcove with the custom shelves. That is also a change. We've slightly relocated the toilet, not much, just by about a foot, and removed the old linen tower. That is a bigger change. And obviously new custom vanity. So I guess this project is not so much standard and deserving this video. So what was it before? Before we started on this project, it was a flash from the past, from 1980s, 3-piece bathroom with a drop-in tub and a lot of wall panels. Obviously, these days, people like their bathrooms clean. People like their bathrooms more modern and elegant. And that was the goal we were going for. So for this bathroom, we've removed the drop-in tub and atrociously large drop-in deck around the tub. By doing that, we've opened up a ton of space in the bathroom and installed a pretty wide 36-inch by 60-inch alcove with a beautiful Bella Arta wall tile. We've gained some extra space for shelving unit. We were debating installing a linen tower in there, but that would close things up. And with an opportunity we had at our hands, we decided to keep it on open shelves. As I said, toilet got relocated and the new 48-inch vanity replaced the old L-shape, poorly designed, poorly spaced vanity. And as you can see, that was our final product. So from technical perspective, it was slightly more than your typical 3-piece bathroom. But what I really want to talk about is the emotional and customer perspective, is a perspective of customer service, which is the other side of the coin that we as general contractors, as bathroom renovators, are faced on a daily basis with. A lot of us contractors can do a really good job, skillful job, to install tile, to patch the drywall, or to paint the wall and the ceiling. What is also important in our work is serving our clients. And serving our clients comes from an old idea, an idea upon which many businesses were built in the old days. Idea of giving clients value, giving clients slightly more value than what they came for. How did that play out in this particular project? Well, after customer accepted the quote and I went out to measure the project, we've selected the materials for the bathroom. Customer was still deciding on the floor and the wall tile, and customer very quickly selected the wood-looking vanity that we had in stock from our supplier. It took us about a week to decide on the tile, and by the time we had that decision, the vanity that was a week ago available became unavailable for a rather long time. And customer was a bit disappointed because she really liked that vanity. The project would turn out to be great. So in order for us to, and I could see that the project would be great with that kind of a vanity. So in order for us to solve this problem, I reached out to my custom cabinet supplier. We've selected the wood that matches the stock vanity, and I had the company build us a custom vanity of the exact spec as what we had in stock, which became unavailable. That was our initial effort to make sure that the customer gets what she wants. On top of that, that gave us an opportunity to do something slightly custom and very, very cool. And that is the shelves that match the vanity within the alcove that we created after removing the drop-in tub. The project turned out to be great. It didn't take much effort. Most of the time, it doesn't take more effort to do the right thing, to serve your customer. Maybe just 10% more. But clients do see that, clients do feel that, and I have to say, I thoroughly enjoyed seeing the client happy, seeing the client appreciate our efforts, and the project speaks for itself. The bathroom is beautiful. Our client left us a wonderful review. She said that we have restored her faith in contracting. That means a lot. That means a lot. You often hear from people in the renovation industry, as well as in general, that things are not the same as they used to be. People only care about money. People don't care about clients. We have no name. We're just a number. And it's unfortunate because this country, the Western world, was not built like that. It was built upon the idea of serving our clients. That's why we have the term customer service. We serve our customers. And when we do that in a small way, I think we're leaving an impact. We are making the place better than it was before we came, and that's all that matters. So this is our project. Thank you for watching this overview, and we'll jump to the next video about the laundry room, because we had more than one project in the same house.